Good morning, traders. I'm Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. Here to talk about the currencies. We've been seeing a lot of volatility in the dollar index and the euro, sharp sell-off in the euro so far this week. I think we're seeing a lot of anticipation of the data that's been coming out and anticipation of a delay in a rate hike, and creating market sentiment that's showing a little bit of stress in the long side of the dollar index. So tomorrow we're going to have CPI. So CPI is essentially this inflation number, and we have CPI out in the Eurozone at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, and then we also have it here in the U.S. at about 12:30. So the important parts of CPI is we look at CPI as an overall number, which was at 0 for the U.S. last month, and we look at outside of autos and, food and energy, we saw 1.7%. The 1.7% is pretty important because the Fed's target rate is 2% on inflation, or close to 2%. Important word, close to 2%. And if we show signs of that inflation rate moving higher, above 2%, I think you'll see a little bit more ability for the Fed and a little bit more cover for the Fed to raise the rates. Look, they're only looking to raise rates a quarter basis point. It's not really much. We're less than a quarter point right now. It theoretically shouldn't have a major impact on the market, but it should show the market that the Fed is ready to normalize the market. Normalization is really around 6%, or at least in the Fed's words, 6%, and it's going to take a long time to get there. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist.
Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.